Baby cucumbers are one of the most refreshing and satisfying vegetables you can grow and enjoy at home. Small in size but big in flavor, these tender cucumbers are known for their crisp texture, mild sweetness, and thin, delicate skin. Unlike larger cucumbers, baby cucumbers are usually seedless or contain very soft seeds, making them perfect for snacking straight off the vine. Their compact size and vibrant green color make them visually appealing as well as delicious, whether added to salads, sandwiches, or enjoyed on their own, with a sprinkle of salt. Growing baby cucumbers can be a rewarding experience for gardeners of all skill levels. These plants thrive in warm weather and require plenty of sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours a day. They grow best in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil that has been enriched with compost or organic matter. Once planted, cucumber seeds germinate quickly, often within a week, and soon develop into vigorous vines with broad green leaves. Some varieties grow in a bush form, which makes them perfect for containers or small balcony gardens, while others climb on trellises, saving space and producing straighter fruits. One of the most enjoyable aspects of growing baby cucumbers is watching the bright yellow flowers bloom before transforming into tiny cucumbers. With proper care, including regular watering and occasional feeding with a balanced fertilizer, the plants produce an abundant harvest throughout the season. Consistent moisture is essential because cucumbers are made up mostly of water. If the soil becomes too dry, the fruits may turn bitter or develop uneven shapes. Mulching around the base of the plant helps retain moisture and keeps the roots cool during hot summer days. Harvesting baby cucumbers at the right time ensures the best flavor and texture. They are typically picked when they are about 3 to 5 inches long, depending on the variety. At this stage, they are tender, juicy, and slightly sweet. Leaving them on the vine too long can cause them to become oversized and less flavorful. Regular harvesting also encourages the plant to continue producing more fruit, extending the growing season and increasing overall yield. In the kitchen, baby cucumbers are incredibly versatile. Their crisp bite makes them a favorite for fresh salads, vegetable platters, and lunchbox snacks. They can also be sliced into yogurt dips, blended into refreshing smoothies, or lightly pickled for a tangy treat. Because of their thin skin, there is no need to peel them, which helps retain their nutrients and natural flavor. They are low in calories, yet rich in hydration, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them a healthy addition to any diet. Beyond their culinary appeal, baby cucumbers symbolize the simple joy of home gardening. Whether grown in a backyard garden, raised bed, or a sunny balcony pot, they offer a sense of accomplishment and connection to nature. With minimal effort and consistent care, these small, crunchy vegetables can provide a steady supply of freshness all summer long, reminding us that sometimes the smallest harvests bring the greatest satisfaction.